Awesome, look what just arrived. Been waiting for this. Been waiting. It's gonna add to my adventures. Won't have to tow the trailer and the four-wheeler around. I'll be able to just go in the truck, throw the bike in the truck, and head up to some awesome spots. This is the Highboy P6 fat tire electric bike. Very cool, very cool. "26-inch wheels, 4-inch wide fat tire." I'm not going to spend too much time on doing this. There's a lot of videos out there on unboxing and everything, and there's a lot of videos on this bike, P6, on testing on simple little trails and simple little, like, on the road and on the lawn. So we're going to take this thing up and we're going to really test it out. So I got a site in mind to take this. Okay, this is 65 pounds. Yeah. So yeah, it weighs 65 pounds. It's got the motor, 750 watt motor, hub motor, with a 1,000 watt peak. What I really like about this is the battery is integrated into the frame. There's no rear shock to it. Front forks, adjustable shock. Got 7 speeds. It's got 3 modes. It's got just strictly pedal power, like a bicycle. It's got pedal assist, where the motor helps a little bit. And it's got pure electric, where you just twist the throttle here. There's that little bit there. That's the throttle. Came with a cell phone holder. It's got cable-driven disc brakes. So this is what I've been, like I say, what I've been looking forward to. Do some exploring, some trails. We'll see how good she is. She's supposed to be rated up to 20% grade, whatever that is. I don't know if that's 20 degrees or so. We're gonna put her to the test. This is gonna be good. Thank you, Highboy. Appreciate it. We're gonna put her to the test, and from all the reviews that I've seen, I think I'm gonna like it. So it supposedly has a max range of 100 kilometers, 60 miles, but that's with a 143 pound on here rider. So I'm nowhere near 143 pounds, trust me. So we'll see how far she goes. I'm closer to the max weight of this thing, which is 265, so we'll see how it does with the 100 kilometer range, pedal assist, power. And it's supposed to go 32 kilometers an hour, which is what, 18, 19 miles an hour, something like that. That's going to be plenty fast. So I gather you got a charge port over there. Looks awesome. Gonna put it together now. Old box, we got charger, awesome. Little headlight. Pedals. Oh, we even got wrenches and Allen keys, nice. And I think that's for the front wheel. And the manual. Highboy P6 electric fat tire bike. All right, she's together. Looking good. You can see I've already added a couple little things to it. So the battery is totally removable. Pretty easy. Just take the keys that are supplied. It just comes out like that. Alright, just for the curiosity's sake, how much does the battery weigh? Battery weighs about pretty close to 9 pounds. 8 to 9. Click her back in. Got the quick release front fork tire. And the disc brakes. You got the instructions telling you what is what on the display. You got the light, horn, you got power. So battery's at 3/4. I have to charge it up before I take it for the first ride. We got modes: first assist, second, third, fourth, fifth. 0 is just pedal power, there's no assist. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 assist modes, and I guess 5 is pretty much pure electric. Horn works. See if the light works. Light is on. LED light. Now it's off. All right, she's looking really good. I like the looks of this thing. Well, this is the throttle. I don't know if you can see that right there. It's about 2 inches. It works. This is going to be a blast. Awesome. Thanks, Hi Boy.